Welcome back to the channel, guys. Kanto Joe here. Found a few pokeballs. Looking for evolutions packs mostly. Trying to get that Charizard and Zapdos, maybe a few other things in the set I remember. But yeah, there's 3 packs in these. I think maybe some Sun and Moon and evolutions. 1 pack of evolutions, maybe 2 packs of Sun and Moon. So I've opened the plastic on them to save you guys the noise. It's horrendous. So we'll get to opening, see what we got. Nice and quick, yeah. We got great ball. I love the balls. Sun and Moon. What's this one? Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. Oh, Charizard. Evolutions. That's what I'm after. Sun and Moon. Nice. Ooh, and we get a coin. Nice, in case anyone plays the TCG. Used to play it a lot when I was a kid. Chuck that back in there. Alright, that's one. Ultra Ball. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. Another Charizard. Evolutions, that's what we're after. Sun and Moon. What coin did we get? Oh, that coin's tore up. I feel like they're all the same coin, maybe. Back's very nice. I don't know if you can see that with my horrible lighting going on. Yeah, not bad. Nice. So chuck them back in there. Wrong way. There we go. I know a lot of people were worried about these these Pokeballs and the conditions of the cards inside them, the quality. But like when you open them, it does look a bit horrendous. But I wonder like what it's done to the edging of the cards. Oh, that's very nice. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows again, yeah. There we go, our Evolutions pack, Blastoise. Yeah, I just hope the corners aren't too damaged. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Sun and Moon, Sun and Moon. I'm pretty sure that was a netball. A netball or a nest ball? I think it was a netball. Let's close that one up. Oh, Pokeball. I'll keep this Pokeball for sure. What do we got? Sun and Moon. Raichu. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. And yep, it's the same coin. All of them have the same coin. So close that one up. Nice. I'm going to keep the Pokeball, the Ultra Ball, the Great Ball. And as I say it, I'm thinking about keeping all of them, but too much Pokemon crap around. What do we got? Charizard. I hope that's a sign. I hope it's a sign. Sun and Moon, Sun and Moon. Another coin. That's probably the best condition one. Ooh. There we go. Nice. All right. Thanks for bearing with me. One more netball and then a premium ball. I'm pretty sure the last one's a premium ball. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. There we go, Raichu. And Sun and Moon. Yeah, I remember you used to get the Premier Ball in the game when you buy 10 Pokeballs from a Pokemart. Pretty sure I remember that. Last one. Premier Ball. Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows. Another Charizard. Come on, man, give me a Charizard. Sun and Moon. Alright, if you stuck with me for the full video, thank you very much, guys. In the next one, we'll be opening the Evolutions packs. If you guys are interested, give a subscribe, a like, a follow, comment on my horrendous videoing skills, or maybe what you'd like to see me get my hands on and try and open in the future. Besides that, have a good night, guys. Catch you later.